Oh, this car stinks. I'm going to show you a way to get rid of odors on a molecular level using science. Hey guys, hi YouTube. Today I want to do a short video about how to get rid of the smell of smoke out of your vehicle. If you've bought a vehicle or own a vehicle or smoked yourself and you've had smoke smell in the car, as any non-smoker will tell you, that smell lingers forever, and it is one of the hardest things to get rid of. Once you've smoked in your car for any length of time, it permeates everything. There's nicotine in the carpet, the headliner, the seats. It is nearly impossible to get out, and it lingers. It's not good for your health. It does all sorts of damage to your lungs. The lung on the left is a healthy lung. The lung on the right is a smoker's. This is a non-smoker's car. This is a smoker's car. Once you smoke in a car, you've done irreparable damage. Not to mention the car loses a tremendous amount of value. There's lots of air fresheners on the market, a lot of rear view mirror hanging air fresheners that claim to make your car smell like a meadow. And then there's these fragrance bombs that you set in your car and they spray fragrance all over your car and sticks to everything, including your headliner. All these products, they just mask the smell. They smell great for about a week or two, but then that cigarette smell just keeps coming back. There's only one way to really get rid of that odor, and that's on the molecular level. What I have here is an ozone generator. It adds an extra molecule of oxygen to the air that we breathe, effectively turning O2 into O3. When this thing is in your car and running, it penetrates everywhere that the air is, so it'll deodorize your vents, your seats, the carpets, the headliner. Basically anywhere that there's oxygen, this will penetrate and neutralize the odor, effectively bleaching the air and bleaching any surfaces that it contacts. Here you can see it's on, it's generating ozone. You can see the blue gas coming out of it. So how you use it, you get to your car and you plug it in. It's 110 volts. Plugs into your standard North American outlet. It draws 50 watts, which is very little, but it generates a super high voltage. The machine's fairly quiet, just makes a little bit of a hiss and tiny bit of an electrical noise. The ozone that comes out of it does have a bit of an odor. It sounds like an old style tube television. Tube televisions have high voltage generators in it and do generate a small amount of ozone. This machine makes a lot of ozone. So you want to set it up in your car, use the timer that's attached to it, turn it on and leave the car. And in this car here, I'm putting it on for 1 hour, turning it on, closing the door and leaving the car. When you come back in an hour later, you want to open your car doors and windows, make sure you air it out. The air that's in there is O3. It's not safe to breathe for any length of time. You do want to air out your car before you start driving away. Here I've turned on the car for the last 10 minutes to make sure that the ozone's circulating through the ventilation system and through the air filter. The whole process takes an hour and is permanent. Ozone generators are available online, Amazon. They're anywhere from 150 to 200 bucks. I happen to buy mine used on Craigslist for 80 bucks. I'm happy to say my car no longer smells like cigarettes at all. Had a little bit of a bleach smell for a day or two, but it smells absolutely neutral. If this video was at all helpful to you, please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, I'll get back to every comment. Thanks everybody, and cheers.